And welcome back. We had a big difference between what we saw for most of the day and what we're seeing now here in North Platte. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse with lots of sunshine, and there was a good amount of humidity in the air for the day today. Temperatures did make it to near 100 with around a 65-degree dew point. Now, we had an increase in the clouds. By early afternoon, temperatures had fallen. We flipped around to more of a northerly wind, and now the storms are making their way through. Here's a look at the temperatures right now. So we have fallen to the lower 70s out toward Ogallala, near 70 Imperial, mid-70s at Broken Bow and Lexington, and still into the upper 70s at North Platte. Although I don't think that North Platte is going to be in the upper 70s very long because the rain will cool us off. Some lower 70s out into the Sandhills. Here's a look at the wind, still from a northerly or an easterly direction. So that easterly flow does produce moisture. We see this a lot in the winter when we're looking at snow, but the same thing's true for now. The more of a chance of, you have a higher chance of rain, the more easterly of a wind you have, and with the easterly wind, especially from North Platte and points off to the south where the rain is right now, that's what's producing the moisture. Wind speeds right now between 10 and 20 miles per hour. Some gusts 20 to even 30 miles per hour around the McCook area, so definitely be aware of that. Definitely gusts higher in thunderstorms. Now, we are still dry from Custer County, points off to the north. Ogallala is basically on the backside of this system. You could have some more showers, but the main batch of moisture is right now hitting the North Platte area with some moderate to heavy rain and lots of lightning with this one, making our way down 83 to Curtis. Just off to the east of Imperial, we have a strong storm out in your direction, and even south of Lexington we have a strong storm. So a heavy rain is hitting most of our populated areas. The only system that has a special weather statement on it for an advisory, that's a step down from a warning, is this storm, but it's just exiting the Tryon area. Maybe 50 to 55 mile per hour winds in this direction. So if you're one of the few people who do live north of this storm, definitely be prepared for that. And if these storms hold together, they could hit the Valentine area as we go through the next 1 to 2 hours. Again, no warnings, but some of the storms are just sub-severe. So high pressure to our south was in charge today with that southerly wind really getting us up there. Lots of sunshine, but this low is moving off to the east. We have that frontal boundary over us that's going to keep a chance of some showers and storms in the forecast over the next couple of days. So as we make our way through the overnight, any of these storms out there will move off to the east and dissipate. Now, we could have some showers and thunderstorms in the Sandhills early tomorrow, and another chance of some showers and storms hitting south of I-80 tomorrow evening. High temperatures tomorrow should be into the low to mid 80s, so a lot cooler than that 100 that we had today. We'll go through Thursday with temperatures into the mid-80s. Into the morning on Thursday, a good amount of sunshine. Could have some more chances of some moisture, especially in our northern counties by Thursday evening. Let's take a look at the severe weather outlook over the next couple of days. And this one just shows that for Wednesday, and then here's Thursday for the next 2 days, everybody's in a marginal risk of severe weather, meaning there could be some strong storms out there. Maybe 1 or 2 of them will be severe. Basically what we're seeing right now. We got some strong storms. A few of them might trigger a severe thunderstorm warning, so that's what's usually going to happen. We have a frontal boundary that's going to stay over us the next couple of days with that marginal risk of severe weather. Then the final low will make its way through. This high works its way in for Friday and Saturday, and that'll be the best chance of some sunshine and warming up pretty nicely as we go through the weekend. So here's a look at the extended forecast. Into the upper 80s tomorrow, mid-80s Thursday with that chance of some storms. And then Friday and Saturday, there's your sunshine. Temperatures rising from 90 to 97, near 100 on Sunday, and down to 93 on Monday. For both Sunday and Monday, partly cloudy skies. We'll just put a slight chance of some showers and storms in the afternoon and evening on both those days, and 93 with mainly sunny skies for next Tuesday. Kent?
And a lot of people very appreciative of this rain we've gotten here over the last several days.
Yep, and we'll continue to stay warm as we make our way through the weekend with less of a storm chance.
All right, thanks, Justin. And when the pandemic took classrooms away from children, there were some consequences, especially for younger kids that missed out on developing certain social skills. Now, a psychologist in Colorado is using a new program that